Since I've finished my Sazabi, I've been on that build mode again, and I also wanted to work on different kits besides Gundam related kits. So here's my 5-star story kit. This is the Atoll. Let me stop that from spinning. This is the 5-star stories Atoll BS Swans 1/144th scale. I just wanted to try this kit out. It looks very cool. It's color green. So you can see it's a little dusty. I've had this kit for a while. The overall product's gonna hopefully look like this, and unless I botch it up or something. But yeah, so just like everything that I do, we'll do the quick unboxing, all that good stuff, and then I'll build the kit and kind of talk about it. Maybe do a review. I don't know yet. So as usual, I already took the runners out of the plastic bags because I hate ASMR. So let's get started. From what I've gathered from all these parts that I've seen, this kit has a lot of parts on it to where you can kind of make it to where, from what I've seen from this from unwrapping this kit, it's got a lot of parts, so it might be like an RG kit. I don't know. I've never built one before, and this is gonna be my first time. So let's count the runners here. 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 11, and 12 runners. And also the kit comes with a small amount of decals right there. I don't know if, let me get that light out of the way. It's a little bright right there. It's a very small amount. It says 7 and SW, I guess. And also you got the trusty old manual. Now this is not a Bandai Gunpla kit, so hopefully this is easy to build. But that's what the insides look like right there. So I guess I'm kind of officially gonna do a quick review of the kit, maybe, because there's not a lot of reviews about these kinds of kits. So it's nice to somewhat give people some kind of new review, I guess, of what it's gonna be like building these kinds of kits. I'll assemble this and I'll be right back. See ya. Alright guys, I'm finally done. But it's more like I surrender. What the fuck? I came into this and thinking that I could just snap build it like a regular Gunpla kit. But you know, this kit definitely made me appreciate what Bandai has been doing with their Gunpla kits. But this is what I got. That's it. I give up. I can't do it. I can't build this kit. I can't do a proper review. There's no way. To build this kit, you are gonna need glue. And I am not ready to do that because I always paint my kits and I plan on painting this. And in order for me to do that, I have to, there's no way. You can't snap build these kits. You can't. I would say that this is more like a plastic version of a full resin kit build. I think that's the best description for these 5-star story kits. So I give up. Basically, that's what I'm telling you guys. There's no way for me to review this whole kit immediately because this is what I ended up with. Boom! Oh god. This took me 45 minutes to tape together. That's for sure. And that's just like maybe 15-20 parts. You know, I thought you could just snap build it. I really thought that you could, but you know, well, silly me, I didn't know what that's like. So I am basically giving a public service announcement. Unless you're an advanced builder and looking for a challenge, don't buy this kit. This is not one of those snap builds and freaking set it aside. You have to freaking glue this together. You have to, in order to finish this kit. I'm just gonna paint this kit right away as I'm assembling it, and then, you know, and that's just how I'm gonna do it. So yeah, I'm basically surrendering. Can you see my eye? I'm gonna show you guys what my eyes look like. I'm right there. I'm giving up. Let me focus. I'm giving up. Okay, I'm giving up on this kit, and I am just gonna freaking build this kit one single part at a time and then painting it, because this is frustrating. This is one frustrating kit to make. Alright, so yeah, sorry about that, guys. I apologize. This is not really a review. It's more like a rant. But you know, I don't really do reviews anyways. So you know, this is just a public service announcement of what you're gonna get into when you build this kit. Subscribe if you like, even though this is gonna be a crappy video. But when is my videos not crappy anyways? Whatever. But yeah, subscribe if you like. Everybody stay safe. And thank you for watching me rant. Bye. Jesus Christ.